Did you know that this type of welding is used in airplanes and turbines? It's called friction welding, and it doesn't require external heat. The heat is generated only by the friction between the parts at over 2,000 revolutions per minute. This melts a thin layer of metal, and when it stops, both parts are welded together as one. The impressive thing is that this technique creates fewer pores, fewer cracks, and greater strength. It's used where normal welding simply wouldn't hold up. Engines, trains, critical parts. And yes, it's faster, cleaner, and stronger than many traditional methods. This is real engineering, not showmanship.